Alright, so Mythbusters, they did this thing with handcuffs, putting them on backwards, like this. And I'm gonna see if I can do it. I know there's a way to do it. Alright. You have to take it and unlock it, but there's legit no way of doing it. But I found out the way. You have to hold the key like this. There. And these are real, 100%. Yeah, so guess that's it.